So here we are again, trying to show you another technique for paintless dent removal. Now my colleague here is going to show you how to basically get the dents removed with a hairdryer.
As you can see here, I'm using a hairdryer. You'll know Tony and Guy, which is the preferred choice to any professional paintless dent removal technician. Now, in removing a dent, you would be very careful so as to keep the area where it's dented. Try not to get too far wide. So, we'll just get them started. And as you can see here, with careful application, the dent has completely disappeared. However, please note, when using this hairdryer, be very sure not to get too close so as to burn the paint.
Well, thank you very much. It was a very interesting thing to see and miraculous, really. Thank you.
Okay.